Alexa, start sheer driving pleasure with the Amazon Alexa car integration in your BMW with BMW Operating System 8 built from November 2022 or newer. Here's how to set up Alexa. Log in with your BMW ID. Go to Apps and click on Alexa. Scan the QR code with your smartphone camera and log in with your Amazon credentials. Now choose if you want Alexa to be activated by long pressing the microphone button. If so, press the button for a moment and talk to Alexa. No activation word needed.
Do I need an umbrella today?
No rain is expected tonight.
Or say the activation word to use Alexa just like at home.
Alexa, what's on my calendar today?
There is one event in progress. Alexa car integration how to shoot is an all-day event.
If you want to switch Alexa off, go to the Alexa app to deactivate the activation word and the long press function. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.